NASA's Orion capsule, which is supposed to take astronauts to the moon, has a big problem with its heat shield. On Artemis I, after the Orion capsule splashed down, NASA teams noticed something odd about the heat shield. The heat shield is located at the base of the Orion capsule. It's made of avcoat, which is ablative, and that means it protects the capsule from the heat of re-entry by basically melting off. But for Artemis I, it was coming off in chunks, and it was charring. There was more liberation of heat shield material than was expected. We know that NASA has managed to replicate the problem during testing, and they know why it's happening. They're basically just figuring out what to do. They can modify the heat shield for Artemis III and beyond, but the heat shield for Artemis II has already been built. It's already been bolted onto the spacecraft. They have to figure out whether they can safely return the astronauts with the heat shield in its current configuration. If they have to rebuild the heat shield, that would be a delay of 1 to 2 years for the mission. But they can also possibly change the re-entry profile, which would mean minimizing char and the heat of re-entry.